Alright, so my brother and my mother both got new puppies, and they're gonna raise them separately, and they're gonna basically have a who's the better trainer kind of competition. But it's me, so I decided new puppies. I'm going home to see these new cute puppies, so that's what I'm doing. I'm on the road, heading down to see them. It's kind of a hike. It's about an hour away from where I live, so I've been tracking, just listening to podcasts. But yeah, I'm gonna go see cute, new, adorable, don't even know what they are, puppies. So, and here are the puppies. They're so cute. They're so cute. This one here. This one is Rizzo. Yep. And the one getting their butt kicked is Addie. And they're so cute. Oh, that's my fenders. And they play all the time. They're so damn cute. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh no. Hi. Hi. They're so cute. I'm gonna go in there and shop with his ass. Get him a basket here. Margaret googly moogly. That ain't gonna fit, Jordan.
Yes, it will. Believe in yourself.
Hope you're ripping it. See, this ain't happening.
There, it fit.
I got it. It's happening.
We're going down there.
It works. It's 4 more. Wait a minute. Yeah.
Good old King Arthur.
Fucking
Excalibur.
dude, these things are. God, this is stupid big. Fucking Jesus Christ, the thing's fucking huge.
Right. Oh, tube's right here.
Okay, alright. Pull her out. Pull her out.
No, it comes with 2 tubes.
Does it?
There's your dealio. Because there's another tube in this one.
Wow. Does it come with 4? It comes with 4 mortar tubes. So.
Here's the tube itself. Oh, look at that.
Oh, that's pretty nice, man. That's solid.
Yeah, you can use that over and over and over and over.
Is that what he said?
Yeah.
Man, that thing's solid. Oh yeah. Let's go. All right. That's what, 60 grams?
65 grams.
65 grams of fuck you to the neighbors. All right. All right, here we go. Holy shit. Oh my god. Alright, so dogs were adorable, played with some fireworks. Good job Iowa for legalizing it. Too bad the city that we are in still has a legal ordinance against them, so we got in trouble for doing that. Cops told us we had to cut it out. But other than that, it was a good trip. Got to see my family, and yeah, not a whole lot. So yeah, hope you enjoyed.